we created a game called Self-Lost Image. I myself created all of the art and animations, sprites, and backgrounds for that game, as well as working on the final product video and testing everything with Lynne and Yinka.
Hey, I'm Yinka, and I worked on the music for the game.
My name's Lynne. I wrote almost all of the physical code that made the game kind of fit together.
I think one of the most important things that you can do as a team in CodeDay is communicate to each other, make sure that everything is set up, that you have a strict timeline, and knowing when to pace yourself.
CodeDay kind of stands out because you don't have to have the project actually finished, like completely spotless clean. It can be in any state or just like even a concept, and I really appreciate.
I think overall, my experience in not only graphic design, which is what I do as part of the team, but as a community member of CodeDay and as a hacker in general, has completely continued to grow. Even if this isn't my first time being here at CodeDay, you know, it's an experience.
It's overall just one of the most welcoming communities that I've been a part of. And it's kind of an inspiration for me to try to continue that work.
I enjoyed the community more, and it was very fun.
Still having a unified community who is working with each other, advanced people helping the beginners, and everyone communicating and sharing and having that kind of friendship with the people at CodeDay has really put me in a spot where I want to keep doing these kinds of projects and keep pursuing this kind of pathway for my education.